Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Edge 14 Neo and let me share with you how to check for the software updates on this device. So the very first thing you should take care of is the internet connection. So make sure that you've got the Wi-Fi connection or you're using the mobile data, and then you can enter the settings. Now let's scroll down to the very bottom to find system updates. Let's tap on it and then tap on check for updates. As you can see, our device is checking for the updates, so it is searching whether you can download something or not. And for some reason, the information is unavailable right now. Let's retry. Basically, no worries. You can meet two different scenarios whenever checking for the updates. The first one is whenever you're up to date. So your device will of course show you the information that there's nothing to download and you've got the newest version possible. And the second scenario is when your device will find something. It will of course inform you that that there's something to download, of course give you all the information about the new update, so what has been fixed, what has been added, etc. And you will be able to simply tap on download. And as you can see here, we can see the very first scenario which I've just mentioned, so that I do not have anything to download because I'm using the latest software. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.